Good morning, everyone. Today we are at Waves Car Wash Phillip, and guess who's back?
Yeah.
Mikey is back, and been a while.
Very long time.
So yeah, this is by far the biggest Waves Car Wash facility.
Which one do you want me to get?
Just anyone really.
Anyone? Alright.
So we'll wait for the pay station, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Rightio, so we are entering the tunnel. Should be just around the corner. There's a WashTec SoftLine 2 with
Hey.
Hello, good morning. Is this your first time here?
Yeah, for a while, yeah.
Just put the window slightly more down.
Yep.
So I'm just going to guide you onto the belt.
Okay, yeah.
When you're on the belt, put the car on neutral.
Yep.
No steering and no brakes.
Yep.
Also double check if the window wipers are off.
Yep.
After that, there'll be a countdown on the left-hand side at the end of the tunnel. After that countdown, you can exit this tunnel and go towards the exit.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you. Exciting. This is cool. Look at the phone.
yep, fantastic.
Why say fantastic?
Yeah, they that's what WashTec calls it.
Oh, it's coloured. This is it's like we're in a club.
Yeah, it's basically like it's LED lights effect. So
It scares me that I can't see.
yeah, I can understand why.
Feels like we're not moving.
Yeah,
I'm scared. What's happening now?
it's a high pressure wash. So
Big long brushes.
you can definitely see much better with the new camera.
Imagine that washing your dishes. Just
Yeah, you can see the brush is much better. You see their black and grey brushes.
Does this have the tyre brush as well on it?
That doesn't.
Oh,
It's got the rock brush.
Oh, look at that dryer. Big dryer.
Yep. So as soon as this is our spot free rinse.
Oh, it feels like my car's going to hit a hole. Oh, good dryer, eh? What
Yeah.
one's this one?
I reckon Istanbul still does a better job though.
Which one's the Istanbul?
Istanbul will be that one in Fishwick,
Oh, okay.
which has the same colour brushes as this one.
I remember that one.
Yeah. They don't seem to be using this as much as anymore.
Look at that. Can't complain with that, eh?
Yep. Wait for that countdown to happen. But at this point, the wash is basically done, so. And there we have it. So I'll see you guys in the next episode, I guess. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.